Yeah, good morning students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be demonstrating on how to simulate an ARP protocol, and also I will be demonstrating on ARP poisoning using packet tracer. First, let us see how to simulate an ARP protocol. You know already ARP is nothing but address resolution protocol that helps in finding the MAC address of the receiver whenever the IP address is known. Okay. To demonstrate, let us take two systems. Okay, and let us take one switch. Give the connection. Okay. Now configure the two systems. Click on the PC node, go to desktop, IP configuration. I will give like 192.168.1.2. That is the class C IP address. Similarly, for this we give 192.168.1.3. Okay. Now let us demonstrate how the ARP will work. So first let us check the ARP table. Here you can see one icon by name inspect. Click on it. Click on the PC node. You can see ARP table. It is empty right now because I have not requested any node. Similarly, you can check the ARP table of PC1. It is also empty. The other way to check the ARP table is go to the command prompt and then just type ARP space -a, and there also you'll get the ARP table entries. Time being, there are no ARP entries. Okay. So now let us ping the message from PC0 to PC1. I will send a request. So what happens once we send? Then the PC1 will send the MAC address to the PC0. Similarly, PC0 will send the MAC address to PC1 because we know the IP address of both the systems. For your understanding, I will just note down the IP address here. The IP address of PC0 is 192.168.1.2 and PC1 is 192.168.1.3. Now I will ping from PC0 to PC1. Go to PC0 command prompt, ping 192.168.1.3. So it is giving the response. Now you can see the ARP table might be updated. Just go to again inspect element and check the ARP table. You can see here clearly the IP address, the ARP table of PC0 contains PC1 IP address and its MAC address. Okay. Similarly, you can see the ARP table of PC1 also. It contains the IP address of PC0 and also its MAC address. So in this way, the ARP table will work just by fetching the MAC address from the IP address. Even you can see the ARP table from command prompt as I already told you. ARP space -a. You can see the entries. Now let us go for demonstrating the ARP poisoning. ARP poisoning is nothing but changing the ARP table entries, creating one dummy MAC address or creating a duplicate MAC address for the two different nodes. Means it is something like assigning same MAC address for two different nodes, something like same SRN for two students, which is not possible in real time. But here the hacker can do it by entering into your network, by taking some student identity and then creating the entire network some disturbance. Thereby, the service will get degraded. So this is how the ARP poisoning will work. Okay, let's see that. First, let us build one small network. I will take one router. Okay, and then I will take one server. Go to the end devices. There you can find server. Okay, so this may be any server. So we have a number of servers like us here: HTTP server, DHCP, DHCP, TFTP, DNS server. Many are there. So better I will go for HTTP server. If you want, I will just write a name here: HTTP server. Okay. Give the connection between switch and server, all those. go to connections, give the connection from here to here, and also from here to, sorry, here to, okay. Now I will give the server IP address. Same procedure, go to server, desktop, IP configuration. I will give like 192.168.2.2. Give the subnet mask, close it. Okay. Now I will configure the router. Please keep in mind for router we have now two gateways or two interfaces. One interface, I'll just draw an ellipse. One interface for this means internal network. Okay. One interface for outside network here from server. Okay. So we'll be having two interfaces here. So click on the router, go to configuration. Here you can see two interfaces. Okay, 0/0/0 and 0/0/1. Here you can see this is what 0/0/0 and this is what 0/0/1. So now try to give the gateway IP addresses for this. For 0/0/0, go to there, give the IP configuration 192.168.1.1 and then give the subnet mask. Don't forget to switch on the port status. Click on the on and then close it. Similarly, give for one more interface. Click on the router like 0/1. Go to IP configuration. I will give 192.168.2.1 and then subnet mask. Click on the port status on. Close it. Okay. So now we have two gateways. Again, I'm telling for your understanding, you will just write the gateways here. Internal port is what? This one 192.168.1.1 I given, and one more we have here 192.168.2.1. Okay, this is for outside network here, and this is here. So whenever the server wants to respond, it will use this gateway, and whenever the user wants to send request, it will use this gateway. So now we will apply the gateways to both the nodes, our internal network. Go to PC node, go to IP configuration. Here you can see the default gateway. Give this gateway address 192.168.1.1. Okay, and then close. Similarly, you do for this node also. Go to IP configuration 192.168.1.1. Close it. Similarly, you do for server. Give the gateway this address. Go to the server. Go to IP configuration. Give the default gateway as 192.168.1.2.1. This one. Okay, and then close. So now we have configured the entire network. Let us see the connectivity, whether we have made correct or not. I will just send a request from PC node to HTTP server, and I will see whether the response will come back or not. Go to PC node, go to web browser. One second. Here you just give the server IP address. What is the server IP address? I have not written a server IP address. For your understanding, I will write it as 192.168.2.2, I think. I will just check it out. Yeah, it is 2.2. Now I will send a request here. Whether I will get response or not. 192.168.2.2. If everything is fine, then I should get the home page of server. Go. Here you can see the home page has come. So now everything is working fine. So now I will go for demonstrating the ARP poisoning. So just now I told ARP poisoning is nothing but creating two MAC addresses for the same MAC address for the two IP addresses. So now what I can do, I will make this is my network now. I will make some intruder to enter here. Okay. I will just minimize it. Yeah, now it's okay. So now what I can do, I will just take one sniffer tool. Okay. First I will delete this link. Okay. Here there is a delete option. I will delete this link. Okay. Now I will add one sniffer tool there. Go to the end devices. There you can see one sniffer tool. here, sniffer, keep it here. Because hacker will use some hacking tools to enter into our network. Just give the connection between PC1 to sniffer to and from sniffer to switch. Okay. Now what I will do? Now I need some identity for the because the intruder node needs some uh, router address in order to flood the data. So I will go to this router. We have two gateways for router. Either the hacker can use this address, that is 192.168.1.1 or 2.1, any one interface in it. So for that, what I will do, go to the router. I will take 0/0/0 first interface. There I will copy the MAC address of the router and I will paste it in PC1. Go to PC1, that is what hacker node. Go to config, go to fast Ethernet 0. There you can paste the MAC address and then close. Now what happened? This router, that is that intruder node, got the identity of router. So whenever the PC node request now to the server, the data will go to the switch. From switch it goes to the sniffer to the PC1, then go back to the PC switch and then go to router and then go to server because router IP address, MAC address is available at the PC1. So in real time it is not possible to hack it, but hacker can do it. Okay. So now what I will do, I will just ping a message from PC0 to PC1. Okay. Go to command prompt, ping PC1 IP address is what 192.168.1.3. Okay. So it is doing some response. You can see here that reply has come. Okay. Now what happened? Once I requested from here to here, no, its MAC address should be entered in the PC node that we have seen already. Now I will check the MAC address, ARP table for PC node. You can see clearly. Take the inspect element, see the ARP table. You can see clearly here the router IP address as well as the intruder IP address having the same MAC address. That is 0090.06047.1D01. You can see here. So in this way, the ARP poisoning is done by the hacker. So hope I understood. So what is the problem with this ARP poisoning means? So now what the hacker can do, he can flood the entire network with unwanted messages, means with flooding messages. We have a number of floodings like SYN flood, ARP flood, ICMP flood. Here you can see in the sniffer all those. Go to the sniffer, go to GUI, go to edit filters. You can see a number of floodings are there. So you can flood everything or I will flood only ARP and ICMP. Remaining things you can remove if you want. OSPF if you want you can keep, okay, and then close it. Now how to flood? What I will do now, I will flood a message from PC1 to the entire network. So I need some destination node. I will just ping to PC node. Okay. Go to PC1, go to desktop, command prompt. Just I will ping the PC node using flooding message. I write -T, don't forget. That is what the flooding message. And type the PC node IP address 168.1.2. Now what happens you see, it will send the flood message to PC node, continuous flood message. You can see there, replay from 192.168.1.2. Continuously it has to replay. It enters into infinite loop. Also you can see clearly. So in this way what happens, now PC0 will make a huge traffic because of PC1. In the future, if PC0 wants any service from the server, then if it sends any request to the server, no, it won't get response because of huge traffic. So let's demonstrate that. Go to PC0, go to web browser and request to the server now. Previously we got the response in a fraction of a second. Now let us see whether it will come or not. Surely will not get because the network is fully flooded. Give the server IP address, what is it? 192.168.2.2. Do it. 192.168.2.2. And see now, you will get timed out, something like that. You are not getting response. You got request timed out. Previously, you got the home page. Now you will not get it because this intruder node is creating the huge network by flooding the entire network. In this way, the ARP poisoning can be applied and you can make the entire network busy. Thereby, the server can be denied in the service to the source node. So, hope so enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Bye.